Hey folks, it's Vic Noble here with your weekly trade example for the week ending August the 2nd of 2013. And this week I just wanted to talk to you about the value of keeping your focus on the higher time frame charts and then trying to find trades from that. And I tell you, what twigged me to do this kind of a weekly trade example was that I got an email just shortly, a little while ago this morning, from one of our Coaches Corner members who, and she's been with us for a long time, and she is just I just love the way she trades, and she keeps things very, very simple. First of all, she only trades two pairs, okay, the Euro US dollar and the British pound US dollar, and that's it. And she spends almost all of her time on higher time frame charts, daily charts and 4-hour charts, and there's a 4-hour chart in front of us here right now. And she just watches for key levels to get hit, and then she'll go to use one of our recurring Forex patterns to see if there is a trade setup available. Okay, and I'm just so impressed with what she does. I mean, today, for example, this is a British pound US dollar. Prices have been coming down, and we had these different levels that used to be support or resistance, and the idea is that when these zones are hit, to see if there's a reaction. For example, this one here hit this morning, and today, depending where you live. And when she saw this, then she'll start to go to the smaller time frame and see what's going on. She'll go down to maybe a 1-hour chart and go, okay, what's going on down here? Is there a pattern happening that we recognize? And yeah, there was a pattern number 3 setting up there. There was a pattern number 5 setting up in here, all at the same time. And so what she did is she ended up buying it down here at 151.10, just down this area down here, and she rode it up into here and took it off for a reward of about 3.5 to 1. A reward to risk of 3.5 to 1. That's just outstanding. She only gets a few trades a week. She doesn't try to trade all the time. She is very, very patient and disciplined. She got out well ahead of the non-farm payrolls, which, okay, it went straight up. Well, that could have gone straight down. The point is, she recognized a pattern, she recognized a very good high odds trading opportunity, and she took it and took her money and said thank you very much. And now she'll wait and watch again, and see how you're going to trade again. We're at another possible level here right now. This is live, but that doesn't mean you're going to trade here necessarily, because we still want to see, is there a pattern setting up? What time of the day is it? What's happening with it? There's other factors is what I'm getting at. So. But I think there's a great lesson for everybody to take away from this week, and that it's a matter of having really good discipline in waiting for these setups to happen. Spend most of your time on higher time frame charts first, not second. I see a lot of traders spend so much time digging around on 5-minute and 15-minute charts and looking at all these zigzags and ups and downs here, and they're really missing. They're doing a disservice to themselves, because you end up getting caught up in a lot of noise. And when you stay with a higher time frame, it eliminates all that noise. What's the candle action down here? Look at the candle action. Didn't that tell you that maybe things were stopping? I mean, this thing's still going straight up. There's lots of time. Don't be in a big panic to do anything. Okay, and so I think that I'll just leave it at that, I guess. But I think that should really help you if you'll just think about that when you're doing your own trading. Focus on these higher time frames and focus on what's going on in a bigger picture. Watch the candle action and then look for trades. It'll slow you down. And I'll tell you something, less trading usually means more profits. More trading means less profits. It's a funny thing in this business, but I tell you that you have to come to grips with that reality, and you have to come to grips with a bit of introspection and see to yourself, look in the mirror and say, am I over trading? Am I looking for too much in here? So keep it simple, keep it higher time frame, do what she does, and I think you'd be way, way better off. Okay, I'll leave it at that. Thanks so much, everybody. Have a great weekend and a great week ahead next week. We'll see you at the end of next week with another weekly trade example. Thanks so much.